Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on creating a simple Viking-inspired ponytail hairstyle for women. Channel your inner warrior and conquer your day with this timeless and fierce look. This tutorial will guide you through the process, from preparation to final touches, with 500 keywords to ensure you have all the information you need. Before we start, gather the following essentials: hairbrush, hair ties or elastics, bobby pins, hairspray, hair elastic bands, optional for added Viking flair, and hair accessories, optional for embellishments. Start with clean, dry hair. Brush through your locks to remove any tangles and ensure a smooth foundation for your Viking ponytail. Create a deep side part, leaving a few inches of hair loose at the front for a windswept Viking appearance. Gather all your hair into a high ponytail at the back of your head. Use a hair tie to secure it tightly in place. Tease the hair in your ponytail to create volume. Gently backcomb the top section for that wild Viking texture. For added Viking charm, you can wrap small elastic bands around your ponytail, spaced evenly from the base to the tip. Use bobby pins and hairspray to secure any loose strands and keep your Viking ponytail looking sleek and fierce. For an extra touch of Viking elegance, consider adding hair accessories like beads, braids, or leather straps to your ponytail. Spritz your Viking ponytail with a bit of hairspray to hold the style in place. Ensure everything is secure and that you're ready to conquer the day. Congratulations! You've successfully created a simple Viking-inspired ponytail hairstyle. This fierce and timeless look is perfect for any adventurous woman looking to embrace her inner warrior. Now go out there and conquer the world with your newfound Viking confidence.